That time of the week again, guys. It's Cool Tool Tuesday. As we all know, clamps are a pretty vital part of your workforce. In your workshop, you'll be using them every day, whether you're making big stuff or small stuff. This is the Torqueada Bench HoldFast. This is a tool that'll work hand in hand with any of your workbenches that have dog holes in them. Basically, it's a slight variation on the traditional one, you know, the sort of crowbar shaped one, the knockdown HoldFast. This one works much in the same way, except you push it down through your 19mm dog hole till the rubber head with a little ball joint sits on the surface of your timber, and clamp that off to the pressure you require. Alternatively, with these you can also use them like a traditional hold down where you'd knock them in, so you can actually slide them down to your workpiece and give them a tap with the mallet, and they will hold in place also, and give them a tap and they'll rise back out, or just unscrew them and they'll pop out. So sometimes keeping it simple is the way to go. They are literally half the price of many of the products available out there on the market, so if you're just setting up your workbench and you're needing to get some hardware for it, but you don't want to go spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on the bits and pieces, these are a really fantastic place to start. They're made from a chrome-plated cast iron, so it's a nice sturdy bar there, you're not going to have any troubles there. And because there's so few moving parts on this, as long as the parts are quality, which they are, you know it's going to last you a good solid amount of time. For more information on the Torqueada Bench HoldFast, click on the link below and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next week, guys. Thanks.